Hey guys, it's Nolan with Advanced Racing Suspensions, and I just want to do a little bit of a breakdown with our canister bump-stop assembly and just explain how it works and some adjusting tips and tricks that I've found using it on our race cars over the past few years. With this assembly, you can adjust it here on the shop, and one turn on this knob with a 9/16 wrench, as you can see here, is equal to about 1 inch of travel on your shaft. And also we recommend setting this with the driver in the car, and it feels very similar to blocking a race car. And you open wheel guys know how that feels, anything from a micro to a wing sprint car. You block a car pretty much every night. You know how it feels when you kind of twist up on it, and you'll feel it kind of stop. This is a very similar feeling to that. So for those new and for those that maybe don't get or fully understand this product, it feels very similar to that. Also, we love this remote assembly that we have, and it's pretty much just like a hydraulic master cylinder. And with it, this whole bump stop assembly becomes adjustable from inside the cockpit, which we really think is a game changer for our customers. And I just think it's big for open wheel racing. And as you can see, it's all bled and such. You turn this assembly right here, and this piston in here comes in and out, basically if you go left or right. And that's the same idea as this little piston right here going up and down, and you're just compacting your spring in here. And speaking of the spring in here, that's how we adjust the stiffness of the bump stop. We have a wide range of springs that we use, and like I said, we find success with these anywhere from wing sprint cars to micros, as you can see here. And we just adjust that rate with the different spring stiffness that we run inside the canister here. And obviously 90% of the open wheel applications we do, we find that the left rear spring rate is a little bit stiffer than the right rear.
Hey y'all, my name's Andrew. I'm here with Enter Race, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about some of the advantages of this hydraulic bump stop as opposed to a traditional bump rope. First off, you've got just the ease of not having to take this shock off every time you want to raise and lower the car. You don't have to add or take away shims. Second, all you've got the forgiveness of it. Basically, if you're going through ruts, banging off the wall, hitting the cushion, you name it, it's a lot more forgiving in the fact that you can blow through it.